Okay, so we are live, I think, and let's talk about anything today. So, if you are here, just say hello, hi, anything. Today, there is no dev talk, so we are just going to talk and do nothing. And okay, what else? So, people are joining, I think. Yeah. So, how is your Sunday? And how was your weekend? Nishant is here. Good morning. So, how about Nishant? How was your weekdays or weekend also? Then Akash is there. Ashif Ali. Okay, so Ali Siraj. Okay, ORM versus normal query. ORM versus normal query. So generally ORM stands for object relational mapping, which is going to have like for a single table, if you have a user table, you will have a user class that is going to responsible for the full CRUD operation on the user table. So there is a mapping of your object, that means the class, the instance of the class or the object of the class you create with the relation or the the table you have on your database. So that is ORM. A normal query, you can do anything you want. Started with peanut butter and jam sandwich. This is nice, Shant. That's great. Weekdays was boring. Office stuffs never become boring. Yeah, sometimes they are hard, but not boring. Is ORM of Laravel is like Hibernate in Java? I don't know about Java. I don't know about Hibernate, but I can say the ORM of Laravel is pretty amazing and it's amazingly powerful. So you should try that. Yeah, sure, Asif, you can ask. This is just you and me, and we are going to have Q&A. So there will be no dev talk today. Why? Because I thought it's good to have interaction with you sometimes after 3 or 4 week maybe. And next week, yes, we are back with a dev talk, and we will have a amazing guest who is going to talk about uh, his job, or maybe I can say her job in IBM. So that will be good. So you will get idea how to land in a IBM level companies. So that we will going to talk in the next dev talk. Also, one more thing, tomorrow or maybe after tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'm going to release the fast API 2+ hours of full course that is going to create all the CRUD for blog plus user plus authentication plus deployment for the fast API Python framework. This is a new and amazing super fast API. This is going to be released tomorrow. So so Ranuk, Ranug, Ranuk say hi, hello. Okay, Lalit Aryan, Namaskar Guruji, Namaste Lalit. I'm your student in that level. Suren, that's great, yeah. You got my in-depth Laravel course. That's pretty amazing. Please explain service container in Laravel. Service container. So as the name suggests, it's a container. Okay, so container for what? Container for different services. Services like routing services, services like event service, queue service. Each and every important part of Laravel is a service. Okay, now to have that service in your application, we have created a container, or think about it as a giant array. Okay, so service container is a giant array. When the application load or boot up, first time the application boots up, then we put all the information of every service in that big array. Okay, that we call service container. Now, whenever we need or wherever on our project, whenever we need any service, we can just pick that service from the array, or I can say pick that service from the container. So this is service container. For example, you have a Stripe payment system, and Stripe is a service. So you create your you initialize the Stripe API with the key and the what is that, key and secret. But you don't have to do this every time. You do one time and put that thing, that whole class with the initialization with key and secret in a container, okay, in an array. Now whenever you need that Stripe, instead of one more time creating the instance of Stripe API, you will say to the Laravel container, hey container, give me that Stripe. Okay, so this is a container which is holding everything for you, services, and whenever you need any service, you just pick from that. It's a simple service container. Okay, uh, how's your newsletter going? Yeah, this is amazing, and it's now growing day by day, and the open rate has now crossed 20%, and not open rate, sorry. Yeah, sorry, one more time. The open rate has crossed 20 percent, and click through rate crossed 1.5%. So if I send it to 100, then 20 people open it, and one or two just click. So that's not a big deal, but slowly it will grow. So if you have not subscribed to Bitfume's newsletter, go and subscribe to bitfumes.com/newsletter. Very simple. bitfumes.com/newsletter. .com/newsletter. Okay. Surendra says API. What does that mean? Back to chat live. Yeah, Tanzim, actually, that's not back to chat live. It's just, I thought it will be good to have this chat live um, after 2 or 3 week. But next week, yes, I told you, we are going to have another guest, and she is going to talk about how she got the job in IBM. So that will be amazing. Which MNC are using Laravel? I don't know, but I can say to you that there are many big companies which are using. Uh, think about it, like the famous one is obviously Slack. Slack uses. I believe, I don't know. Slack uses PHP. I don't know about Laravel, but there are many big companies. I can't name them because I don't remember their name. But yes, it's very very big companies uses that. Actually, not for the everything. Many companies uses a specific part of Laravel, like queue system. Laravel has a powerful queue system, so many company uses Laravel just for the queuing system, because they have a micro frame, not microservices. So maybe the requests are handled by Python framework, but queue jobs are handled by Laravel. This could be the case. So you cannot name like this company is using Laravel for everything. No, it's not like that. Sir, honestly suggest Django or Laravel. Obviously Laravel. With Django, I suggest Laravel. Sure. It's very easy. So how can I create relationship in Firebase, like one to many user can give many posts as she or he like? Just like you do in a normal relationship, you put the ID. Other thing is, like, since the Firebase is a no SQL, so you can like have a user, and in the user you have different blogs. Okay, so the same collection will hold everything for, like, user has a blog, different blog, and each blog has different comment, so everything will be single collection. So that will be a no SQL thing, not a SQL thing. So you actually not create direct relationships, because you have everything same place. uh, so you're amazing, we love you, thank you. And I asked you one thing, please try to release React. Uh, Bro, I already have a very big 10 hour of React course. You have to check that out. Next, we have one from. Why this Ranug Ranug's comment is held for review? Why? What happened? My Flask app takes a lot of time to load up, which I use MongoDB Cloud. Okay. Maybe you need to optimize your query. That's why its loading time is high. Stripe like apps. Okay. So I know HTML, CSS, just want to learn Angular. From where to start? Pushkar, I suggest not to start with Angular. Start with the React or even start with the Vue.js. Once you are familiar with Vue.js and how JavaScript thing works or JavaScript frameworks work, you can then move into Laravel. So that's the simple. What's that? Laravel? No. Once you have familiar with the Vue.js, then maybe you can move to React or Angular. So this could be the path. Do not directly land on Angular. It will be hard for you. Uh, Ranuk says AI roadmap. I'm still finding that roadmap, but I can suggest you one person. Go to Twitter, search for Pratham Prasoon. He's a 16-year-old and he is a machine learning AI influencer. He has 50K, almost 50K followers on Twitter. He will going to guide you if you want to learn about machine learning or artificial intelligence. That will going to be amazing for you. And he has many threads on how to get started, the roadmaps of AI or ML things. That will be beneficial for you. You can check that out. Pratham Prasoon. So Pratham Prasoon on Twitter. Okay. Thanks for your valuable tutors. Thank you. Good morning, Sunil. Sunil, yeah. Good morning, Sunil. I thought he is my sir. No, but he is not. Okay. Now, knowledge Kunji, you're amazing. Thank you for your for always be available for us. Yes, yes. I need to do one thing. I'm actually rendering all the videos of Flask API. So this is I have completed rendering for nine, and we have 22 module, or we can say videos, but I'm going to merge all of them into one video that will be for 1.5 hour or maybe 2 hour of content for you for the fast API. So that what I am actually doing here in front of you. So just give me 1 minute so that I can uh, put it on this. Yeah, so this is, maybe you have heard it. So I should do these things. And what I generally do, I first record all the videos in a smaller chunk, and then after I complete these full tutorial, then I what I can say, I render each individual video and then finally merge them again. So it will be two time processing. So that will be little difficult to do, but yes, everything for you. And this is going to be the 11th one, and also let's have the 12th one for the rendering. So this is how we do. Okay. So yeah, maybe you are waiting for your answers, but just a minute. I'm going to put them on the rendering so that I will be free for some time. Okay, so yeah, now I'm back. So next question: how much scope of Laravel development? Laravel development. Hmm. Laravel developer, sorry. If you are good at anything, even in HTML, if you know things which many don't know, even in HTML, you will going to have high scope. You will be charged more than a normal person. So it's not about Laravel, it's not about PHP, it's not about Python, Go, or any language. It's all about how much knowledge you have. Even in Laravel, people are getting very high payment, high salary. Even in Golang or Python, people are getting very less salary. So it's all about how much knowledge you have, how you are showcasing your knowledge. So you have to showcase your knowledge. That's very important. And Chinmay Das says Chimdesa. So says React, please. So one more time, I can remind you that I have a 10-hour of React course. Just go and search for React Bitfumes. If you search it, you will get 10 hour of React amazing course. That will be real mind blowing. How can I delete file storage Firebase Python? File in storage Firebase Python. There is no way to do it. It depends on which framework you use. If you're using framework, that will be easy. But I don't know about other things. Sir, please release React. I'll told you. Difference between event and observer in Laravel. Um, Observer things are now not available, I think, and that are totally different. And that event is now replaced with that observer thing, I believe. I'm not sure 100% about that, but I will do the research and then let you know. And this question asked by Patel Sanjay. So Sanjay, I'm going to ask from Google and then I'm going to answer you. Tanzan says, what is that? So can you make a tutorial on how one-to-one relationship in Firebase comparing with Laravel? Tanzim, I told you Firebase has no SQL structure, and in Laravel we generally use SQL. So I believe that will be not good for comparison. I am Rivash. Yeah, Rivash. Hello, I earn 100K each month just of your course. 100K. Vue.js, awesome. Thank you for your course. What that plus 100K means? Can you please explain what that plus 100K meaning? 100K each month. I don't know. Hi, Sarthak. Nazim is there. Thank you, Nazim, for being here. There's no join in Firebase. Yes. For enterprise application, is Laravel better or Spring Boot, sir? Anil, Anil BH. See, it's not about framework. For an enterprise level, generally people prefer either Node.js or Spring Boot because of the performance of their request handling thing. Since Laravel is not up to that mark on the request handling, so yes, it will be not good. But said that, I can tell you that there are Laravel component which will be useful. Sometime people will find the sending email with Laravel become super easy, or handling email with the Laravel is easy. So they use the email sending part from Laravel, and rest of the website will be handled by Spring Boot or Node.js frameworks. So yes, Laravel is quite useful. If Laravel API taking more time to load, so how can I optimize it? If you have a API, that means you obviously need to look first on your queries, optimize your query, use debugging tools like Laravel Telescope or Laravel Debug Bar to find how much time your query is taking to execute and get the data. then optimize it for by defining some indexing, by checking the eager loading things, by properly getting the data from the SQL database. These things you need to check. First is this one. Then if you are dealing with the time taking processes like storing some media, sending email, put all these things behind the queue system, so that will be not that will not going to block your request and the response. Next, you can do one more thing: caching. Very, very important thing. If the same data you are fetching every time from the database, instead of going to the database, just put all the data into cache and return from the cache. That's going to save you a lot of in terms of time, in terms of resources, in terms of money, because transaction database transaction is expensive thing. Okay, so you have to optimize in these ways. So time required to expert in Laravel, 100 years. You never become expert, you never become. Yes. Why I'm saying that, because the more you learn, the more you feel like, oh, I have not done anything. So every day you will like, okay, I need to learn this, I need to learn that. Okay, so this is a good big thing, I need to know about this certain framework. Never, you will never become expert. So so I got React. Thank you, Chimdas. Well, Chimdas, from where you are, like, are you from India or from out countries? I saw TypeScript last day. It's awesome. Yep, it is awesome. I started loving Laravel after watching your series. Anil, that's amazing. And I am going to create one more big Laravel course free for YouTube. And that will going to be with the testing. Yeah. So test driven development, with the use of trust driven development, we will going to create some awesome thing in Laravel. And that's coming very soon. So Pushkar Kumar says, "Thank you, sir." Okay. Sagar says, "Future of Ionic. I have never used it. I think in front of Flutter, no framework is going to stay. Even React Native is behind Flutter nowadays. Flutter is really awesome. I don't know about Ionic. I've never used it. Sorry about that. Literally, I would even use it for some toggle function." What is your opinion about Ajax? Ajax. Everything is Ajax. Nowadays, single page application is all depends upon Ajax or XHR request. So what can I say? It's amazing. What is the benefit of using reverse routing in Laravel? Reverse routing, that depends how you use it. I don't know about that. Be Give me some specific example. Maybe I can explain more. Ravindra Singla says, how we can master React 100%, from where we can start, any special resource that you can recommend, sir. Ravindra, one more time, you will not going to learn 100% ever. Okay. Second thing, if you want to get a start with React, just go on Google or on YouTube, search for React Bitfumes. You will get a 10-hour of massive React course where I have used TensorFlow machine learning things to detect image using React and JavaScript. So that's an amazing resource to get started with React JS. And that's very, very easy and smooth and free. Free for you. So go on YouTube or Google, search for Bitfumes React 10-hour course. That's for you only. Sarthak sir, when you are going to release Flutter course. Rahul, what happened with Flutter course is like on the 3rd of March 2021, Flutter is going to have a Flutter event. Now, what happened, maybe they could change something, so I don't want my course to deprecate just after 20 30 day, or maybe 40 day after releasing the course. So that's why I put that course on hold until the third 3/3/21 event, the Flutter event. When I see if there is new thing, or maybe if there will be no deprecation, then I will going to start recording for the Flutter course, and then I will release it after next month end. Okay, so that will be the plan. And sorry about delay, and it's now become super delayed. I know, yeah, I also feel bad for this. And I have actually recorded the Dart course, and plan was previously I was planning for releasing it, but I thought that it's going to be free on YouTube. I've planned it for a paid course, but I think I'm going to release it for free on YouTube, the Dart course. Okay. Um, when I say is fresher front end web developer salary, for fresher in India, front end developer, if you are intern, then obviously max is 10,000. If you are just a fresher, that means you completed your internship, then it will be 15 to 20, or maybe 25. And if you are in a very big company, then it could be more. So this could be the case. That depends upon the company and how much knowledge you have. Integration testing with React testing library. I have only used Jest with React, so I don't know about other library. Enzyme is amazing also, and everything is now becoming on the Cypress. Cypress is a testing library for JavaScript thing, and it's really amazing. 10K means more than 1 lakh each month. Oh, reverse, you are earning more than 1 lakh each month. How you are doing this? How you are doing this? Please explain. Please share your journey, and we will be happy to listen or to read your journey, how you achieve it. Are you doing freelancing? Do you have any job? Are you having any contract? What you are doing with to get 1 lakh per month, 100K per month? Explainer Khan. Okay, so hi from Pakistan. All the Pakistan people, thank you for watching my videos, and it's very nice to have the neighbors from a loving country. And I'm not talking about the political issues, that's all just for showing purpose. I know people on the Pakistan are very kind hearted person, so thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Okay, so I'm your Laravel student, Sangeetha. Thank you for watching my Laravel tutorials. Ravindra one again says, sir, had you covered Reflex and Redux all in detail in course? I have not used Reflux, but I have a Redux course. Just go on Google, just go on Google or YouTube, search for Redux Bitfumes or Bitfumes Redux. You will get a course for Bitfumes Redux course. That's an amazing course I have created for you, and that will clear every concept of Redux for you. I'm sure, definitely sure, damn sure. You will going to message me if after watching that Redux course. If you don't know anything about Redux, watch this, watch that Redux course on YouTube, Bitfumes Redux course, and then you will going to message me on Twitter maybe that how easy Redux is. Okay, next one is Anil. Anil says, super answer. What is that? Super answer for my question, sir. Thank you and keep guiding us. Thank you, Anil. And if you have any question, please ask. That's amazing. How to handle boilerplate code Redux or Redux Saga? I believe you don't have to use Redux nowadays. We have a context API. We have some other things nowadays. So Redux become older. It's not in much use. I can say it's still in use, but not for every application. If you check my website bitfumes.com, it's all built with React, but I have never used Redux, never used Redux on my any React course. I have only used context API. Okay, Chemdesa says he is from Ethiopia. That's wow. That's that's really mind blowing. Someone is from Ethiopia. Anil says one more series with testing. Wow, thank you. Countdown start. Yeah, maybe. So do you play any computer game? No, Nishant. I didn't have any passion for computer game. I feel like if I start playing computer game, I will live into the virtual world only, because from day till night I just code and code, or maybe recording tutorial, or in that tutorial I am also coding. So all day I am in inside that virtual world. So it's not good for me, for my health, to play computer games. And apart from all these things, computer games are super addictive. So once I play that, I will going to have another channel, bitfumes game channel, for uh, live playing. So I don't want to do that. Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies. Any recommendation? I just saw Harshad Mehta, the scam series, and I saw Gullak series from Sony Live. It's really amazing. And what else? Yeah, I just saw the Future from Curiosity Stream. This is another OTT platform, Curiosity Stream. So yes, but I don't watch like every Bollywood movie, every Hollywood movie. No, I only watch very selected things. So thank you for your amazing shareable knowledge. Thank you, Chandisa. Pushkar Kumar, how's the future of Flutter, sir, compared to React? Flutter, see, uh, how JavaScript is taking everywhere. JavaScript is on mobile, on web, on server, on your desktop, on your mobile. Yeah, that's done. So everywhere you have a JavaScript. Same is going to happen with the Flutter or Dart. So with the Flutter or Dart, you can create, nowadays you can only create uh, the mobile applications for iOS and Android. Yes, you can also create the desktop apps for all the platforms, like for Windows, iOS, and Linux. Later, you will also going to create the website with Flutter. After that, you will also going to have the IoT devices, the softwares for IoT devices with a Flutter. So these things will going to change the Flutter, and Flutter in this way is having amazing future. So you don't have to worry about Flutter. Are you do these class every Sunday 11 a.m.? Almost yes. Why almost yes? Because Hussein, what? No, not Hussein. This is asked by Ashif. So Ashif, what happened is like every Sunday I have a dev talk here. Every Sunday at 11 a.m. I do this dev talk where I just talk to a developer about his journey and how he had started and achieved that much of success in his career. But today only I thought, okay, let's do this chat live so that I can interact with all of you. But I'm also planning to have this kind of chat live every week, not on the Sunday, maybe any other day. So I don't know about that, but I'm planning to do this thing very often. So you will going to have lots of chat lives. Okay, waiting for your, where is that? Waiting for your, oh, I'm Ethiopia. Waiting for your new Laravel course. Please include Fortify. No, Hassan, sorry about that. I'm not going to use Fortify or Jetstream, and sorry about that, because that will not going to make the application smooth or tutorial easy. That will be super hard. But I don't know. I will plan about that. Nishant says Pakistan people are really good with coding. Yes, not just with coding, they are very, um, I can say, creative in terms of designing. If you go on that Fiverr, search for anything, you will get people from Pakistan a lot. So Pakistani people are talented, creative, super amazing. Tanzim, I want to create a marketplace for coding and catering firms in future. They will upload recipes and, oh, so not coding, that cooks and catering firms in future. They will upload recipe and we can also hire them. Uh, uh, what should I use for people, for client and cook to chat with Laravel next? Good idea, Tanzim. You can do that. With Laravel, you can get started with it. And in front, if you have a good mastery in Vue.js, then obviously you can use Nuxt.js. That's a framework of Vue.js. That's good. Yeah, congratulations for this. And if you need any help, yes, our Discord channel is there. Okay, one more time. I can share with you all the newsletter thing. So slash newsletters. So this is a newsletter, and I'm going to pin this at the top so that if you want, you can join this newsletter. And every Monday, I send newsletter. So this is a good chance. If you subscribe today, you will get email tomorrow with some knowledge about coding and other things. Okay, next one. Rivash says, I'm 21 old freelancing, but now I set up my own small business, software company. I'm entrepreneur. I'm not from it IT background and IT class or school. I learn everything self. I earn more. Rivash, you are an ideal person to be here on Dev Talk. Please send me a message on Twitter. I want to know your journey and how you have started and how you reached successful business, how you created this successful business. Please send me, DM me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Sarthak Savvy. That's going to be amazing. Thank you for sharing your story, and I want to know more about your great. Chimdesa says, Sir, please merge React with Laravel in one tutorial for simple understanding how to develop front end and back end. Chimdesa, go to Google or YouTube, search for React Ping Pong series. React Ping Pong series. In that ping pong series, I have used React with Laravel. So you will get your answer there. Tandan says, watch Redux series next day job in Redux core team. Tandan, you are funny. Uh, Sanjay says, create video for Laravel with Docker. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yeah, really sure. Just come up to say hi, love your brother, and you are giving me much of nice effort. I wish touch all the mountains of success. Thank you, Aviral. Thank you for your nice, kind words, and thank you for being here. And I hope you join the newsletter. And if you have any question, if you want to interact with, like, Tanzim is very active on my Discord channel. So if you want to be on the Discord channel, I can share the Discord channel link also with all of you, so that not just with me but with Amitav Roy. He's another great person and he's having his own YouTube channel. So I copy this link and I paste it here. So I shared with you all my Discord channel link. So if you want to join and if you want to talk with each other, like I said, Tanzim is there. I know Tanzim very much. So you can join that Discord channel. Also, the join the newsletter. So bitfumes.com/newsletter, which is pinned at the top of chat section. You can check that. Okay, so overall, I hope you join both of these, like Discord plus the newsletter. Okay, Ambroso, I'm from Nigeria and you are pretty popular here. Developer recommend your course always. Ambroso, thank you for knowing me that I'm popular there. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So say thank you to all of your friends for recommending my courses, and I'm going to come up with lots and lots of different types of courses. Like, next is Fast API, then maybe React, not React, sorry, Next.js, um, Node, Docker. Lots of things are coming in future, because I'm going to now create a system where I will have 1 2 3 hours of different course. In single course you will going to learn everything about that technology. So these kind of things I'm working, and that start from tomorrow with the Fast API series. So do join the Fast API series. And think I need to put one more video on rendering, so that I don't have to wait for rendering. So while I'm talking to you all, I can just render the videos. So yes, you can see. If you want to hear, let's hear this. Now, after the delete part, we need to update the block. How we can update? So this is the Fast API series I am working, as you all know, and this is going to release tomorrow, and I'm going to render 15th one, and I total have 27 videos, so 15 videos are rendered, but I have 10 video left for editing. So 10 video editing, then rendering, then merging them all. Lots of work for today, and I will going to release it tomorrow. Okay, so 15th and then 16th, and maybe I can also put the 17th one on rendering, but now it says we have some issue with 17th, so no problem, I will do that later. Let's get back here. So Ambroso says I'm popular in Nigeria. People recommend my course. Brother, your website is having error while opening on phone. Oh yeah, I remember that thing. I have that. There's a bit lagging to me. Francisco, yay! My friend Francisco is here. Maybe he was. I don't know if he is still here, but he says I'm lagging. So yes, that is happening here because I am using my phone hotspot. This could be the reason. Or yes, there is a lot of lag here. That's not smooth. I just noticed now when Francesco told me. Maybe I can do something. I will try to fix this later on the next live. I don't know what happening. Sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, I know my website has some issue on phone. I will try to fix it. Thank you, Raj. So Aviral says, "Hi Adarsh. Yes, the error is because of pop-up plugin push vertice. It will be sorted out, don't worry." Oh, thank you, Aviral, for responding. And actually, push vertice is my friend's new SaaS product, and he is working, and I'm testing his product push vertice. And this is for the push notification kind of thing. So if you go and click on the subscribe button, then whenever i whenever I want to send some information with all of you, then I just send a push notification on your mobile or wherever you want to subscribe. So that's the thing push vertices. But yes, as you all told me, there is some issue. I'm going to send a message to my friend that, hey, your push vertice is creating some issue on my website. Okay. Okay. Next is Shudder. Shudder. Hello, sir. The node is really on the demand in Indian market, or it is best to learn the technology that used a long time like PHP and Java. What's your future? Node, learn, node, learn, node. If you are new, if you want job, if you want to quick into, if you want to be quick into this IT world, then start with a Node.js. Sagar, okay, Sagar, the way best keyboard and mouse for programming and company. I don't know. I have never used external keyboard or any external mouse. I have this Apple keyboard, external Apple keyboard, Bluetooth one, and I need it not for my Mac. I need it for my desktop. I really like the keyboard of Mac because they are very soft. They don't make noise. This is good for me, just for me, because when I create videos, I don't have any keyboard cut noises. So that's beneficial for me. Generally, people see that this is not good for the fingers. So if you want to have external keyboard, then make sure you have the mechanical keyboard, because mechanical keyboard has a spring, and that's going to relax your fingers. Uh, you don't have to manually pull out your finger, because the spring is going to push your finger up. So that's going to help your hand and fingers. But that's not good for me, as I told you. And the mechanical keyboard make a lot of noise, so I don't want that. So yeah, but I don't know about mouse. Programming Geo has a React 45 playlist. Okay, so this is, maybe I think he's talking about any uh, YouTube channel. I don't know about this YouTube channel. Maybe I will check that later. Okay, so one more time, if you have not subscribed to the newsletter, Bitfumes newsletter, go check the link at the top of the chat list. And also you can join the Discord channel, and the Discord channel link is given in the chat section somewhere. You can find it. Akshay Chaudhary asked that was some issue. No, ask Akshay asked, can you please suggest a YouTube package for Laravel to get latest feeds from particular channel? I don't know about that. There are a lot of Laravel wrapper for YouTube API. I have never actually used anyone. I don't use Twitter. Maybe you use any other thing. You can join the Discord and reverse. You can message me there, and you can send me mail. Technical. Oh, you are becoming professional with me. No issues, reverse. I'm going to email you there also. So I just put your email here. Okay, that's for the future. Okay, so this is the Discord link, Bitfumes Discord link. Nishan says, just for sharing, I work in a lovely professional university Jalandhar in PhD department, learning Laravel from your videos a lot. What is your opinion on PhD in computer science? Nishant, any degree is not a waste. Any level of study is always going to help you in your career. So obviously if you are doing PhD in computer science, you should have some specific thing in computer science you are working. So what's your niche? Maybe we can generally say in normal term, what's your niche? Or what's your, maybe on PhD we have some kind of project we work, or some kind of research we do. So what's your research kind of thing? And then Kushi says, "Sir, you are really great. I love the way you explain. Thank you so much." Thank you, Kushi Patel. And I say full name because I don't know if someone is also there with the same name. So thank you, Kushi, for your message. And I will love to. Uh, I will be happy if you join the Discord channel and the newsletter every Monday. That means tomorrow I'm going to send a newsletter for all my subscribers. So you will find the link at the top of the chat section, and Discord link is just you can search with the Bitfumes message. Then Amir Pal Sehmi. Okay. Please suggest to integrate SharePoint with Laravel. I have never used it. Maybe that's easy with the API. I don't know about SharePoint. Sorry about that. Okay, so Kushi, once again, please start Node and React, sir. Are you talking about the Node plus React, or Node or React different? So because React, I already have a 10 hour of React. What is this Blackhawk JS? I don't know about this. I think you are talking about something else. I don't know. Now, James is McGlone. Was the React ping pong cities? Not cities. It's ping pong authentication. Not getting much result. Did I get it wrong? So James, that's actually a ping pong authentication. Bitfumes ping pong authentication. You have to search full Bitfumes ping pong authentication. Uh, Chimdasa says, "Sir, sorry, I didn't understand what said me on merge React and Laravel. Could you send me link? You said React with what? React with, okay, so people are not getting that. I'm not be professional. You can send me link or other detail. Yeah, sure, Revash. I'm going to send you some detail, or maybe we will have some chat, uh, maybe on Google Meet. I don't know. Raj says it is necessary to install all AVD in Flutter. I believe yes. Yes, I know that's a lot of thing, and that's going to eat your all day internet. So yeah, I know there's a problem with the Flutter. That's the only problem, but so it is good to specialize in front end and back end, and better to be full stack. I say master one thing and have the knowledge of everything. So it's not about learning everything. Learn a specific thing fully and then have the knowledge of other thing. So suppose you want to master React, so master React, but have the knowledge of Laravel, or have the knowledge of Node, or maybe have the knowledge of Docker, because every knowledge is going to help you. Brother, need to talk to you. Please reply. How can I contact Bitfumes? Raj, if you want to talk to me, you can send or DM me on Twitter at Sarthak Savvy. That's my Twitter handle there. Please do not write message again and again. Otherwise, I have to block you or maybe remove your comments. Okay. So I believe that's done for today. It's almost an hour, and we are going to end this live with a happy note that tomorrow we are going to have the Fast API course, 2 hour plus 2 plus hour of fast API course, a Python framework that's going to help you a lot. When you are going to start advanced WordPress series or crash course, sorry bro, never ever WordPress. I'm not a WordPress. I don't know how to use WordPress thing. That's the issue. What is your skill? I know Laravel, React, Vue, Svelte, Python, Go, Adonis, Node.js. That's it. Okay, so one more time. Bye bye to everyone. One more. Hassan says, do you know any suggestion or method that Laravel authentication with Active Directory? No, I don't have any knowledge about that. Anyways, thank you for being here, and it was very nice talking to you. We will have these kind of session very often, so if you are interested in talking to me, join the Discord channel. I can one more time share the Discord channel here, so that if you really want to join, you can join the Discord channel with the link I just share. And you can join the Discord, you can message me personally, you can have you can look into different channels, and various peoples are already there. Nishant is also there, and Tanzim is there. Many people are there, so please join, and we will going to have a discussion there. If you have any issue, then you can also ask there. Okay. Okay, so Rivash, I saw your Vue.js Laravel 1 hour course. I build e-commerce and earn 3 lakh. Thank you. Your lakhs are now. Rivash, your lakhs are just distracting me. Anyways, that's just for fun. That was kidding, just. But I'm very happy for you, Rivash, that you are doing so great, and I really looking forward to talk to you. Not just to Rivash, I want to talk to all of you in the next live. So till then, bye bye, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.